everyone, it's Mona here at Craft Klatch. Today we are going to do a sailboat themed home decor item, and it's a great decoration if it's the theme of your home or just a room or your bedroom. Here's one of them all finished. I did the painted pendant, and all I did was I took some felt. I didn't have the right color, so I just took some felt and painted it a coral color because I wanted that as an accent color, and glued it right on there. Now this one stands fine on its own, but if you have one that doesn't, you could always put like a flat piece of wood underneath, screw it to the bottom. Otherwise, if you have it sanded nice and flat on the bottom, it should be able to stand on its own. So I hope you like this project, and I hope you find a little coastal inspiration from this one. And I know exactly where I'm going to put this. Thank you guys so much for being here, and I hope you like these sailboat decor, and I hope you give it a try. I will definitely see you next time. Remember, life is too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye, guys.